Hello guys, now you will see a great selection of the coolest products from Amazon. All links to the products in the description below the video.
Presenting Pulse 3, a wireless portable speaker from JBL that delivers good sound quality. The JBL Pulse 3 delivers 360-degree sound along with 360-degree light show that gives you an overall immersive experience. This speaker is IPX7 water resistant that can withstand splashing and rains, making it suitable for outdoor usage. It also features a noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone for crystal clear calls. With a lithium-ion battery, the speaker can play music for up to 12 hours on a single charge. It comes with JBL Connect Plus technology that enables pairing of 100 JBL speakers. The speaker is available in two color variants, black and white. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Memories are fragile. What if you could perfectly preserve your childhood memories? What if you could capture every detail of your creations? Or keep with you every important book you've ever read? Introducing the CZUR scanner. We wanted to create a scanner that was fast, a scanner that was able to create the most optimal digitization intuitively, and a scanner that lets you scan anything. But most of all, we wanted to create a scanner that fits seamlessly into your work and life. A scanner so smart and intuitive that it enables you to retain your knowledge, memories, and creations in precise and beautiful detail. CZUR, the smart scanner.